Hello, and thank you for tuning into the Z Project. Today I will show you how to make this glamorous napkin ring and placemat that will add a touch of elegance to your dining table. Let's get started. You're going to need 4 sections of a cut paper roll. I use one from an empty Reynolds wrap. Next, you're going to need measuring tape or a ruler. You're going to need silver ribbon from the Dollar Tree, a roll of Bling ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You will need 4 rolls of vinyl shelf liner, a pair of scissors, and silver metallic paint. I forgot to mention, but you will also need a hot glue gun and glue sticks. Now, if you do not want to paint the inside of your paper roll, then you can skip this step. But if you do, then you're going to take the metallic paint and paint the inside of the paper roll. This will give it a finished look inside and out. And then you're going to set it aside to dry. Next, you're going to take the silver ribbon and one of the paper rolls, and you're going to glue them together. Start with a small amount of glue going down 1/2 of the paper roll. Be very careful because this part is hot and you can burn your fingers. Allow the ribbon to extend past the edge slightly. This will hide any rough edges. You're going to wrap the ribbon halfway around the roll and glue it down. Then take your finger and smooth out the top of the ribbon. This is to make sure any glue is not clumped up underneath. Then continue and glue and wrap just as before. Once you've reached where you have started, glue the 2 ends together and press down firmly. Make sure that the edges line up. Then take your scissors and cut it. You're going to do the same for the other side, and just make sure that the seams line up when you start gluing. And the ribbon will overlap the other piece slightly, and remember to allow it to overlap the other edge as well to cover the raw edge. Continue to glue and wrap it just as before. Next, you're going to take the Bling ribbon and you're going to measure it and cut it to the length of the paper roll. Add some hot glue to the back of the Bling ribbon and align it with the seam that is on the paper roll and glue it down. And you're going to do the same for the other end. Now you're going to take the vinyl liner. You can use a pin on the back of the liner and measure out 18 inches. But this design had a pattern that made it easy to follow. Measure 18 inches and cut along the line. I will make sure to have all of the measurements that I use listed below. Once you do this, you will have a glamorous napkin ring and placemat set. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and connect with me on Instagram. Have fun recreating this and making it your own.